Hello everyone, myself Atul Negi and I welcome you all to IMS Gate Academy YouTube platform. In this video, we'll be talking about the topics from the mechanical engineering syllabus which are very important for your upcoming GATE examination. As you all know, the GATE syllabus is huge and there is a need to identify the topics which are very important for our examination. Because those topics, the chances of question is very high for your GATE examination. And if I've identified those topics, I will prepare them, I will practice more number of questions from that particular topic. And if question comes, I will be in a position to solve that particular question correctly. So we will see the entire syllabus of mechanical engineering and we will see which of the topics are very important in that particular subject. So that you will have a clear idea, okay, in this particular topics I need to solve more problems. In this topics I need to allocate more time during my preparation and the revision time, right? It is not necessary that from other topics question will not come, but the topics that I will mention here will be those important topics from which chances of question is very high. Okay, so we'll start with the first important subject, that is manufacturing. As it has a very high weightage in mechanical engineering, more than 15 marks, 16-17 marks it will come. And the syllabus is also huge. So we need to understand the priority that I need to give to the topics in this particular subject. First, we will have a metal cutting, then casting, then welding, and finally forming as well as limit tolerance fit. So in metal cutting, you already have solved so many problems. There are so many formulas are involved. Merchant circle is there. In casting, solidification time numericals they will be asking. Okay, so there is welding, then we have. So these are the important selective topics from which you can directly expect questions in your upcoming GATE. All are equally important. We have to prepare these topics first in the manufacturing. And we have to solve the previous year questions from this particular topic so that you will have a clear idea what kind of questions they are asking. Okay. Now next is the basic thermodynamics part. If I consider basic thermodynamics and applied thermodynamics together as a one subject, it is the second highest weightage in our GATE examination. So the questions usually they will ask from the heat and work calculations. Most frequently they will ask. And that heat and work questions are related with the first law of thermodynamics. Then we have a second law of thermodynamics where we have a heat engine, heat pump or heat refrigerators we have. And then third is the entropy questions. So these are three important topics from which you can expect the numericals in the GATE examination. In entropy, we have a different cases. Entropy change for a gas, entropy change for a solid and liquids, entropy change for ideal gas. There are three important formulas, right? And from these three important formulas of entropy change in ideal gas, many times they have asked questions. So we have to be clear about the topics which are very important so that if question comes, I will be in a position to solve. So first priority you need to give to these three topics. Next, applied thermodynamics. In applied thermodynamics, first important topic we have is Rankine cycle. If you see the previous year question book, always you will find that there is one question every year they've asked from the Rankines. Then we have a Brayton cycle, then VCRS and the psychometry part. So this is the order you need to keep in mind regarding the preparation of applied thermodynamics. And I'm telling you, if you have understood the cycle part and the basic thermodynamics concepts are clear, you will never face any issue in the applied thermodynamics. Just you only need to know the processes involved in a cycle. And thereafter, only basic thermodynamics, heat and work calculations are there that we need to do in these processes. Right? And the psychometry part, always, if you see the previous booklet, always formula-based questions they have asked. So please prepare this applied thermodynamics in this particular order. Next, if I talk about theory of machine, again a very important subject in mechanical engineering, and it is the third highest weightage for your GATE examination. Maximum questions you will see from simple mechanism, and that too from the angular velocity ratio questions. We can use velocity diagram also, but angular velocity ratio theorem is the best approach to solve any mechanism whenever they have asked angular velocity calculations. Right? Gate train, epicyclic gate train. Mostly questions are from epicyclic gate train. We have conducted the online YouTube classes also from this theory of machine subject. You can see those playlists as well. Next, flywheel and vibration. Entire vibration chapter is important. We cannot say in vibration this particular topic is important. No, entire chapter of vibration is important. In gate train I have mentioned epicyclic gate train. In simple mechanism I have mentioned this particular angular velocity ratio theorem. This is important. In vibration each and everything is important, right? Next we'll talk about strength of material or mechanics of material, right? Stress strain. Maximum questions they have asked from stress strain analysis, principal stress strain or simple stress strain questions. Then we have SFD, BMD, slope deflection calculation, and then finally torsion. Specifically in mechanical, torsion is a very, very important topic. So this priority you should keep in your mind while preparing the strength of material. Next, if I talk about fluid mechanics, starting with the fluid kinematics part, then dynamics. Entire dynamics is based on the Bernoulli's equation. So if you have understood the Bernoulli's equation, you will never find a problem or any challenge you will find in solving gate questions. Then flow through pipes, again Bernoulli's equation will be used here. Then finally the boundary layer theory, again very important, tricky questions comes from the boundary layer theory. So please prepare the boundary layer theory chapter very carefully and just observe the previous year questions they have asked. So sometimes tricky questions comes from the boundary layer theory part. Next, industrial. Industrial is a very, very important subject, right? And here the important part is every chapter is different. Subjects like thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, things are related. The topics are related there. But industrial, every topic is different, right? So mostly questions they have asked from the inventory, network models like PERT CPM case, then queuing theory. These are the three important topics from which you can easily expect a question in industrial. So don't consider industrial as a less weighted subject. Sometimes the question come from this industrial like 7 to 8 marks also. And these questions are easy if you have understood the concept here. Inventory will have a different concept. Network model will have a different concept. Queuing theory, different concept. Okay, there is no interrelated concept here. But the subjects, like as I told you, mechanics is there. Okay, fluid mechanics we have, thermodynamics we have, theory of machine, solid mechanics we have. Concepts are interrelated, but here totally different concepts. So you have to be clear about the concepts, right? Then only you will be able to solve questions from industrial. Otherwise, every question of industrial will become tough for you. Okay, so please prepare it from the basics. Next, we have engineering mechanics part. In engineering mechanics, entire dynamics is important. And if I talk about dynamics part, Newton's law, work energy principle, and impulse momentum equation, these are the three only concepts involved. Newton's law, F equals to ma, or in terms of rotation, torque equals to I alpha. Work energy principle is work done equals to change in kinetic energy. Then impulse momentum equation, that impulse equals to change in momentum. Either it can be a linear impulse or angular impulse. If it is a linear impulse, linear momentum we will talk about. If angular impulse it is there, so angular momentum we will talk about. Okay, so then truss and friction. But entire dynamics part is very, very important in our gate examination. Truss is a very simple topic, friction again a very simple topic. And mostly friction questions are involved in dynamics itself. So friction part will be involved in a dynamics. You can consider friction as a part of dynamics also. Right. Next we have a heat transfer. If I talk about heat transfer specifically, we have total 3 chapters only: conduction, radiation and convection. In conduction we have a steady state conduction, questions related to fins, question related to lumped analysis part. And in radiation we have a questions from shape factor, Stefan-Boltzmann law. In convection, flow through plates and pipes. These are the very, very important topics in this particular chapters. So we have total 3 chapters, but in that chapter itself, these are the important topics that you should keep in mind. While practicing questions from heat transfer, please keep in mind these topics are very important for your gate examination. Right. Next, machine design. Machine design again very important topic, and usually the questions coming from machine design is very less, and that too easy also. And I've seen many people will skip this machine design. Why? Because they are not able to understand. That is the reason mainly. Or sometimes they will feel that this is having a very less weightage, better not to prepare it. I'm telling you, selective preparation if you do in this subject which has less weightage, you can easily score marks, and the questions coming from machine design are very easy. So questions or the topics that you need to prepare is design of static and dynamic load. Theories of failure is a very important topic. Soderbergh, Goodman line, these are the things that I need to prepare. Then bearings we have, design of clutches and the brakes. These are the topics that you need to prepare. You don't need to cover entire thing in such subjects. But if you selectively prepare these topics, I'm telling you, you can easily score a good marks in machine design as well. And the questions are very easy in this one. Okay, so we have discussed the topics. So the topics that I've mentioned here are those important topics from which you can expect the questions. So what you need to do, you need to practice more numericals from that particular topic. You need to give more time for the preparation and the revision to these topics. Right. Now, as test series is a very important part for the GATE preparation, and I would say in the GATE examination, test series is the key to success. More you practice the online test, more confident you will become. Right, and there is a very high chance that you will score a very good marks. You have prepared the test series part very well. Right, so IMS GATE Academy is offering you the test series plus product where you will be getting more than 130 online tests. You will be getting a previous year question booklet, not one, two booklets you are getting separate. First technical subjects separately you will be getting for maths and aptitude. Apart from that, unique feature is the doubt solving portal. Whenever you have any doubt in any particular numerical, you can just take the photo and upload in the doubt solving portal. You will get the solution immediately. Apart from that, post GATE guidance you will be getting, mock interviews you will be getting, right? And score booster and revision sessions will be conducted. So that test series plus product is offering you, and that too we have this much cost. And if you are interested, you can buy this particular product. Okay, and two things are there. Either you want the test series or the test series plus product. In test series plus product, you will get all these features. But if you buy only test series, you will not get the booklets, previous year booklet you will not be getting, and the mock interviews you will not be getting. Okay. Now, IMS GATE Academy has already started the live online programs for the GATE examination. And the features like 800 hours of sessions will be there. Theory book, exercise book. Exercise book is most important part where you need to practice the questions based on the level, like basic level, advanced level. You will be getting 12 one-to-one mentorship sessions. This one-to-one mentorship sessions has a very important role in your GATE preparation. Whenever you are preparing and whenever you find it very difficult to manage your preparation, the faculty will guide you how to manage your preparation, and as well as he will always track your preparations so that you will be always in the right track. More than 130 plus online tests you will be getting. So if you are interested, you can directly call on this number to book a free counseling sessions, right? And in the last, I would suggest to everyone to join the Telegram group where you will be getting every important notifications. Okay, every important, the lectures that we are going to conduct in the YouTube, every important information you will be getting there. And most important part, daily quizzes are running in the Telegram group which will help you in your GATE preparations as well. So the link is provided in the video description also, and you can directly use this link to join the Telegram group. Thank you so much everyone.